How to manage search settings in Google Maps. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage search settings in Google Maps easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Google Maps. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top here and click on those three lines and go down to search settings, and from here you can manage the search settings from the results per page and the personal results and many other options. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.